How do you know you're eligible to apply for a driver's license? It's actually pretty straightforward. It's on your driving record. We offer free reviews of driving records to make sure that anybody knows when they're eligible. Some people can figure this out and read driving records. Some people can't. Some driving records are very complicated. Sometimes even I have a heck of a time figuring out what's what. But ultimately, that information is right in the driving record. Those two rules that I talked about earlier always come into play. Number one, you're revoked for at least 1 year if you have 2 DUIs within 7 years. Number two, if you have 3 or more within 10 years, you are revoked for 5 years. Those carry the day. Now, if in the interim you receive any driving infraction whatsoever, you get revoked all over again, either for another 1 or 5 years. This is fairly common, so people have no idea because they were revoked in 1996 for 5 years, and then they were eligible in 2001, but in 2000 they got another driving while license suspended, so they were eligible in 2006, and on it goes. The easy thing, call my office. We'll have you scan or fax over a copy of your driving record and let you know when you're ready to go.